The chart of accounts is the backbone of your bookkeeping. It's the organized list of every category where your money comes from and goes to. Understanding it is non-negotiable. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Find it under Accounting, Chart of Accounts. You will see default accounts QuickBooks set up for you, like checking, accounts receivable, or office supplies. Each transaction you record is categorized to one of these accounts. You can add new accounts by clicking New. Be careful here, don't create a new account for every single expense. Use sub-accounts to keep things organized. For example, under Auto Expenses, you could have sub-accounts for fuel, repairs, and insurance. My crucial pro tip? Don't over-customize early on. Start with the default accounts QuickBooks provides. Only add a new account when you consistently have a type of income or expense that doesn't fit neatly into an existing category and you need to track it separately for decision-making. A well-organized chart of accounts is the key to clear, meaningful financial reports. What's one account in your chart that you couldn't live without? For more foundational bookkeeping guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.